everyone, and welcome back to Usermaven. Are ad blockers blocking your insights, leading to incomplete data? Fear not, because Usermaven is here with an amazing feature called pixel white labeling. Here's how you can do it. On your Web Analytics dashboard, head over to Workspace Settings and click on Pixel White Labeling. Here, add your custom domain and click on the Add Domain button. Next, add a CNAME record to your domain registrar, pointing it to whitelabel.stage.usermaven.com. This can take a few minutes to a few hours. Once done, click on the Click Here to Verify button. You will then see that your domain has been connected successfully. Next, go to the Setup page and grab your new tracking script from right here. Replace this with the old one if it has already been installed. And that is it. No more ad blocker blues, just accurate, privacy-friendly insights for your platform. Do try this on your own and see you in the next video.